You wake up with a solid erection. No effort, no pressure, just there. Fast forward to the evening, you're with your partner, things are getting intimate, and nothing. That confidence from the morning, gone. Sound familiar? I'm a clinical sexologist and a medical doctor, and I've seen this pattern with hundreds of men over the last 2 decades. And here's the wild part, your morning erection might be the best proof that your body is fine. So, why does it fall apart when it actually matters? Let's break it down and stick around because I'll show you what most guys completely miss about fixing this. So let's clear something up. If you are getting erection when you're asleep or waking up with one, that's actually a good sign. It tells us that the plumbing works, blood flow is happening, your hormones are doing the job. This isn't a penis problem. But when those men, maybe you, get into bed with someone, the whole system freezes. It's like your brain flips a switch and suddenly you are in your own head. And that's what I teach my clients. Erectile dysfunction in partner sex is often not about mechanics, it's about your nervous system. Here's what I mean. When you are solo, you're relaxed, no pressure, no one's watching. But during sex with someone else, your brain enters what we call spectator mode. You start observing yourself like you're outside your body. Is it working? What if I can't perform again? What will she think about me? That self monitoring, that's the killer of arousal. It shifts your nervous system from rest and arouse to fight or flight. Blood flow that should be going to your penis is now going to your muscles, to your brain, to your heart, to run away, to fly or fight. Your body isn't prepared for sex, it's preparing for danger. Let's break down the most common things that flip your arousal switch off, even when you're totally into your partner. Number one, performance pressure. It starts as excitement, but then turns into expectation. I need to stay hard. I can't lose it this time. And suddenly, your mind is do not fail mode, not enjoy the moment mode. That kind of pressure, especially when it is internal, is one of the fastest ways to shut down arousal. Number two, anticipatory anxiety. This is where the brain starts rehearsing failure before anything has ever happened. What if I can't get it up? What if she notices? What if it ruins the night? You haven't even touched each other yet, and already your nervous system is on red alert. This kind of mental time travel hijacks your body's ability to stay present. Number three, shame and body image issue. I see this more than people realize. Guys who feel embarrassed about how they look, how they smell, how their penis look, asking themselves, is it small? Is it bended? These thoughts sneak in, especially in quiet, intimate moments. And again, the arousal system takes a hit. Number four, overthinking every move. Instead of feeling, you're thinking. Is this the right move? Is she enjoying it? Am I taking too long? That mental conversation pulls you out of your body, out of your pleasure, and into performance mode. And performance mode is enemy number one of natural arousal. Now, here's the thing, most guys try to fix this with willpower. They grind their teeth, tell themselves to relax, to man up, to just push through, but willpower doesn't work when your nervous system is in panic mode. You cannot force your way into arousal. You have to train your brain and your body to feel safe again in intimacy. But how do you go from will I stay hard to I'm here, I'm connected, and this feels good? It's not about tricks, it's about retraining the brain to see intimacy as safe again. Here's how we start. Think of your arousal like a light switch connected to your stress level. If your nervous system is stuck in fight or flight, that switch doesn't flip. So, before anything else, you need to get back into your body and calm the system. Simple practice like slow, mindful breathing. 5 seconds in, hold, 5 seconds out. Do this for 2 minutes before intimacy. Yes, it sounds basic, but you're retraining your body to associate sex with safety, not stress. Then there are touch focus exercises. These are used in sex therapy all the time. You focus on touch, connection and sensation, not performance. You and your partner need to take intercourse off the table for a few sessions and instead you explore each other with no expectation of penetration connection. Sounds weird. It's actually one of the most effective way to remove pressure and rebuild trust with your partner and your body. Then there are mindfulness exercises during intimacy. This is the opposite of spectatoring. It's being in your body instead of watching yourself perform. Notice the warmth of the skin, the rhythm of the breath, the emotional connection. If you mind wander into is it working, you need to gently bring it back to sensation, back to now, again and again. Then you need to talk about it before the bedroom. The best time to bring this up isn't it when things go sideways? It's when you're having coffee or taking a walk or hanging out with each other. Tell your partner what's happening without shame. Sometimes I get stuck in my head and it messes up with how my body reacts and I'm working on it. That one sentence can create more safety than 100 erections. These tools aren't hacks, they are retraining. They teach your brain that intimacy is a place of connection, not performance. And guess what? When that shift happens, erection become natural again. They're not something you chase. They show up because you are present. If you have made it this far, I want you to remember this. You're not broken. You're just miswired. Your nervous system has been trained to associate arousal with pressure, performance, and perfection, but you can retrain it to connect, to feel, and to respond. I've seen it in my practice over and over again. And while this isn't a one tip fixes everything kind of journey, this is the work that actually works. So if this resonates with you, here's what I want you to do. Hit subscribe down below because every week I share the real strategies that actually help, not the recycled internet fluff. This is the sex ed you should have had. And if you're ready to go deeper, start my free 3-day masterclass, The Hard Truth. It's where I teach you how to actually fix ED from the inside out without relying on pills or gimmicks. Did I mention that's free? You will find the link right below this video. Since we are talking about nervous performance and overthinking, there is one more mistake I see all the time. Something you're probably doing without even realizing it, and it's killing your confidence in bed. That's what the next video is all about. So click right here to watch that one now, and I'll see you there.